So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Depop. So the first thing you want to do is to go to depop.com. Through there you can see stuff for women, for men, for kids, for brands, sports, trending, and sale. You can sell now, you can see your messages, your likes, your shopping bag, your account through your profile, your selling hub, purchases, settings, resolution center, and you can log out as well. So through here, if you want to use Klarna, you should get to buying something. So let's use, let's say this, and open it now. So you can see buy now, make offer, and add to bag. If you've added to bag, you can see one item, you can see in 5 people's bags. So there's some interest for this item. You can see authentic blue Labubu, and you can just go to checkout. So it doesn't really matter what it is. You can then click on checkout. Once you're here, you can add your shipping address and you can choose the payment type. So once you're here and you've set up your payment type, it's important to note that you need to be within the United States or the UK in order to use that Klarna payment method. So that's really important because if you are within other regions, even though you may have opened your account within the US or UK, Klarna as a payment method won't pop up and you may be wondering why. But once you set up your device that needs to be within US or UK, you can then use Klarna as a specific payment method. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.